Guys, check this out. Creamy, cheesy Alfredo with sausage, ham, chicken, and good some bell peppers, onions, delicious, easy, creamy pasta dish. Okay guys, today I'm making my own version of Alfredo. It's not the authentic one, it's just how I like it. I preheat my pan here, adding some olive oil. And let me just pan fry my marinated chicken. You can marinate your chicken how you like it. Adding about 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. Here I've got some hickory ham and some sausages chopped up. Add this in as well. Okay, here I've got some purple onions here. Add it in as well. I've got some green peppers and a bit of yellow and red bell peppers. Also have some chopped up mushrooms that I use boiling water to also rinse with boiling water. So add it in as well. The creamy pasta, and then I'm going to dump all this into it to mix. Over here I've got a little bit of tomato paste over here to add it in. I'm just going to add a few teaspoons of sugar here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all this is cooked up. Let's prepare the creamy pasta. Okay, let's make our pasta. First I'm going to add in about 2 teaspoons of butter here. Add in 1 teaspoon of garlic. Mix that up. Some fresh cream here. Just mix that up. Okay, once the cream starts boiling, we can turn down the heat. And then we can add in our cheese. You can use any cheese you like. We here got some mozzarella mixed with Gouda cheese here. So I'm just going to add it all. Okay, just sprinkle some herbs. Got some mixed herbs here, just give it a little sprinkle. Sprinkle a little bit of oregano. A little bit of Italian herbs here. And also sprinkle some dried parsley. Okay, mix that up. Okay, over here I've got some spaghetti pasta here, al dente. I'm gonna add it into this pasta dish here, into this cream. I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit. Then I'm gonna toss the pasta in here, in this cream first. Mix. Add in all our delicious ingredients here. Also got some green peas. And let's give it a good mix. This is how I like my Alfredo. Let's give it a little bit of a taste test here. Nice. The best tasting Alfredo dish ever. Hope you guys give this a try. Yummy. Try this out, guys. It's just Alfredo here. Toppings here. Hey guys, let's give this a taste. Creamy, cheesy Alfredo with a lot of toppings. So delicious, guys. Damn. It's not like the restaurants when you just get the mushrooms and the chicken and a bit of cream. This is so tasty and delicious. Hope you guys give this recipe a try.